Guys. Hey guys. Today we have a very exciting video because we are going to Ikea. We're getting furniture for our new office. And we can't wait to tell you. I know. We moved rooms, so now our office is so much bigger. It's time to just step it up a notch. So we are going to Ikea to shop for some furniture for it because it's gonna be popping. It's gonna be so cute. We have so many ideas. It's gonna be so cute and we want to try to tackle it this weekend so it's like all ready to go. You guys, we have so much room. We literally have enough room to like do our shipping there, have like a workspace area for her and I to do like all our computer work. Like our own room. Yeah, and then we also have enough room to just have like an already set up studio so we can just do like catalog shoots there. It's crazy! I was all surprised, like my parents just randomly like got it ready for us and then Micole went over there. Didn't even tell me. Went over there and it was like all ready to go, so. Oh my god, I almost cried. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh. Wow, star parking, like Ikea's right there. Wow. Oh my god. Who is she? Woo! Let's go. Alright guys, we're walking in. People are like looking around and they're like this, they're like, are they famous? No, they're like this, they're like whispering. Okay, so guys, we want to make like a gallery over like wall, but then we want like a cool seating area for people to just like chill out. And I don't know if I want to get like a crazy chair or like a thrift one. Dude, okay, look at that chair that guy's sitting on. I know. You need to blur his face out. Everyone used to have those and then we gave them to the thrift store. Oh my god, your camera's dying. Do you have another battery? No, not a battery. Oh my god. Okay, let me turn it off for now. Yeah. Hey guys. Good morning. Well, I guess it's afternoon now. Yesterday we went to Ikea and we got some things for the office. We totally revamped it. And now we are just doing some work on our new desk. And it's so great because it's so big. So I feel like you're like really far away from me. But this is what we got going on right now. The office looks great. Here's our little like clothing area. So we have our props down there and we have different drops in there. And then Micole's new packing station. Let me get up so I can show you guys. She's a beauty. Is behind us. This is gonna be moved over here once this is all gone. But it's so cute. Love how it's open and you can like see everything, but it's like tall enough. This was like a TV console, I think. And then we just have like a rolling cart over there. This is gonna change. This is all gonna change. Guys, also we bought a Christmas tree and it's spray painted hot pink. It's gonna be so cute. A Hail Mary tree. And then we have this is makeshift. We just wanted to see what the space would look like, but we have a place where you can shoot now, and we did it long way so that we can kind of like go as far as we need to go as close, and it kind of works because the racks can move, so we can just push it in or move them to the other side of the room if we need more room. And then same with our desk. Okay, first of all, can we just acknowledge the beautiful desk? Like, acknowledge it in all its glory. The desk is beautiful right now, like, oh my god. And then we have all of our equipment right here, which is so cool. This was only 14 bucks. That's fucking neat. The easiest thing to put together. Yeah, this is the easiest thing to put together. We did have a gallery wall. This gallery wall is just like makeshift right now. We're gonna move this, but these are— just wanted to see something. Yeah, and then one of them fell, fallen soldier over there, so this is gonna be fixed. We got our little mascot right here. Micole's gonna use her area for the first time. Woo! this is so cool because it's like the first time we're like using it. So this is like really neat.
So right now I am making organizer labels. You can show them closer. Organizer labels for our inventory area, just so we can organize basically each drop that we've done so far and what we have left.
So yeah, these, what she's talking about are on this rack. We have these little boxes. This was her idea, and I think this is so smart because now we can just like keep all the different drops in here, and they don't always have to be out on the rack, because we kind of want to make this more like of a display type deal now that we have racks to display them on. Showroom. Yeah, it's almost like a showroom. And then this is just our inventory. Yeah.
Comment down below if you guys love the like business videos.
I feel like people have, like, we have so many new subscribers. Hi guys, I know we're super small, but it's like so cool seeing your guys' comments.
Seriously,
like
so much support.
Yeah, and like even if it's like 2 or 3 of you, like it's so cool to like talk to you guys and see where you guys are at, and you know, your feedback and everything. Like everyone loves them, which I'm like really surprised about because I feel like they're pretty amateur, but it's like the road to where we're gonna grow. Yeah, and it's gonna be like cool to look back on when, you know, hopefully in the future we're larger and everything like that, just to like see where you started. So you have to see this one. Oh, who? You. Us.